This week, Apple unveiled the latest iPhone. The iPhone 4, good name by the way, was apparently lost and stolen in a bar 2 months ago, coincidentally at the same time as the Droid Incredible launch. Conspiracy? No comment. This Monday, the real deal was officially introduced by no other than Steve Jobs himself, donning, of course, those familiar jeans and black turtleneck. So with the iPhone 4, we've got some improvements that bring the phone up to a reasonable standard where it's lacking, like the upgrade of the camera to an acceptable 5 megapixels, an increase in battery life, and the introduction of a multitasking operating system. About time. The phone has become slimmer at 9.3 millimeters and looks even more sleek and designy. There's now a front-facing camera so you can do video calling, or what Jobs calls FaceTiming. And perhaps the key feature, a hike in screen resolution to so-called retinal display at 326 pixels per inch. Apple has also introduced a gyroscope, which can work with the existing accelerometer and compass to provide a 6-axis motion sensing capability, good for games and the like. Think Nintendo Wii. Even Jobs had a Wi-Fi problem when it came to demonstrating the video calling. Apparently, there were too many other iPhone users in the audience busy tweeting and blogging, so the object of their posts ground to a halt on stage. You see, it's the demonstrator effect. The more important the demo, the more likely it is to go wrong.